how to fix Outlook not receiving emails on iPhone. So here's what you want to do. Go into your phone settings, and from within the settings we'll just search for iPhone storage. So right here you will click on iPhone storage, and then we want to sort the applications by name and scroll down until you see O for Outlook. So right here I'm just going to find the letter O. So it should be right about here. Alright, so we have Outlook, and you want to offload the application. Then you will reinstall it. This is not going to sign you out of your account or anything like that. It is just going to verify the integrity of the files. If it still doesn't work for some reason, then what you can do is completely uninstall and reinstall the app. So you go all the way to Microsoft Outlook here, and what you want to do is press and hold onto the app itself, and you will remove the app and reinstall it back from the App Store. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.